Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of the long lines and paperwork at traditional banks, you're going to love this. Today, I'm walking you through how to open an Ally Bank account quickly and easily from the comfort of your home. Ally Bank is an online bank known for its high interest savings, no monthly fees, and user-friendly interface, perfect for anyone looking to simplify their banking. First things first, head over to the Ally Bank website. You can do this by typing Ally Bank into your search engine or going directly to ally.com. Once you're there, look for the Open an Account button. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want. Whether it's a savings account, checking account, or even a CD, Ally offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Next, you'll need to fill out the application form. This is straightforward. Just enter your personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Don't worry, Ally uses top-notch security to protect your data. After that, you'll verify your identity. This might involve answering a few questions based on your credit history or uploading a photo ID. It's quick and helps prevent fraud. Once your identity is verified, it's time to fund your account. You can link an existing bank account and transfer money over, or even deposit a check via their mobile app. Ally makes this super easy with no minimum deposit required for most accounts. Finally, review everything to make sure it's correct, agree to the terms, and submit. You'll get a confirmation email, and your account will be active almost immediately. Opening an Ally Bank account can take as little as 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll enjoy features like 24/7 customer service and competitive rates. If you run into any issues, their support team is always just a chat away. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and take control of your finances today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more financial tips. See you next time.